Je, desto. Hello, English-speaking world. All the German learners, I greet you. Today we are looking at the sentence construction with je, desto. With these two words, you can express that two properties are proportional. So if something is in a certain way, then it, or something else, is also in a certain other way in the same degree. It can also be inversely proportional. Let's look at this example. Je älter du wirst, desto mehr verstehst du. The older you get, the more you understand. There are 5 ways to use it. The first one is just with an adjective in its comparative form. For example, je schneller, desto besser. The faster, the better. Je älter, desto weiser. The older, the wiser. Je schöner, desto beliebter. The more beautiful, the more popular. The second way is to add a subject afterwards. For example, je schneller die Autos, desto besser das Rennen. The faster the cars, the better the race. Je größer der Hunger, desto leckerer das Essen. The bigger the hunger, the more delicious the food. Je später der Abend, desto schöner die Gäste. The later the evening, the nicer the guests. That is a German saying, by the way. The third way is using mehr and weniger, more and less, followed by a noun in the plural. Nouns that do not have a plural form will just stay in the singular. Je mehr Freunde, desto mehr Freude. The more friends, the more fun. Je mehr Geld, desto mehr Optionen. The more money, the more options. Je mehr Arbeit, desto weniger Zeit. The more work, the less time. The fourth way is using mehr or weniger with the infinitive with zu. If you haven't learned that, just use zu and a verb. The meaning of zu here expresses possibility or obligation, so it means can or must. For example, je mehr zu tun, desto mehr zu verdienen. The more to do, the more to earn. So this means the more you must do, the more you can earn. Je mehr zu entdecken, desto mehr zu lernen. The more to discover, the more to learn. Je mehr zu benutzen, desto mehr zu putzen. The more to use, the more to clean. And the fifth way is to use it with a full sentence. This is best explained by analyzing an example. Je größer das Auto ist, desto länger sucht man einen Parkplatz. The bigger the car is, the longer you search for a parking space. The structure is je plus subclause, and then desto with the main clause. The special thing here is that both clauses start with the adjective on position 1. So the word order is the following: je plus adjective plus subject and verb 1 at the end because it's a subclause, comma, then desto plus adjective plus verb 1 on position 2 because it's the main clause, and then the subject pushed to position 3 and then the object. You don't need to stick to one method. You can combine them freely. Here are some more examples. Je später ich ins Bett gehe, desto müder bin ich am Morgen. The later I go to bed, the more tired I am in the morning. Je mehr Leute kommen, desto lustiger. The more people come, the more fun. Je mehr Gäste, desto mehr müssen wir kochen. the more guests, the more we must cook. Je länger die Rede, desto mehr Leute schlafen ein. The longer the speech, the more people fall asleep. Je mehr zu tun, desto größer die Bezahlung. The more to do, the bigger the payment. Let's repeat what we've learned. Je, desto express proportional or inverse proportional behavior of two properties. There are 5 ways of using them. 1. With an adjective in the comparative form. 2. With an adjective in the comparative form followed by a subject. 3. With mehr or weniger followed by a noun in the plural. 4. With mehr or weniger followed by an infinitive with zu. 5. With a full sentence, je plus subclause and desto plus main clause. You can combine these methods freely. Alright, that's it. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and I will try to answer them. You might want to take a look at the tutorials for infinitive mit zu, subclauses and sentence structure on this channel that you need for this grammar. Please share this channel with your German learning friends und vielen Dank für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit.